It seems like there is some problem at Dr. Kose's end. So we'll wait for a while. Okay, please wait. Have patience. Sir has already joined. So hopefully we can start soon.
Hello, can you hear me, dear professor? Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you, and sorry for the problem in terms of my audio and also camera. And I'm also in a place having some Wi-Fi issue. But if it is okay for now, we can start immediately. No problem.
Okay.
If it's okay, I can start.
Yes, you can start. We are able to hear you.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, dear friends. Welcome to my session on especially perspective of AI and machine learning for the current and future developments in terms of the cyber security. I will share my screen, just a minute, please, and start my presentation. Yes, I will start my presentation. As you can see, my name is Utku Kose. I'm an associate professor at Süleyman Demirel University from Turkey, and I'm also affiliated with the ITM SLS Baroda University. I'd like to thank to everybody, every colleague for their kind invitation to perform that lecture today. I hope you are all participants are in safe and okay with their families, of course. And I wish you a happy and nice weekend and Saturday. So let's start. My presentation content will be first focusing on the cybersecurity, the concept of cybersecurity, and after that I will talk about the cyber world, the concepts of cyber world, and also I will explain the concept of cyber war, especially which is critical for the near future. And actually we are experiencing that the concept, the cyber war, when we consider the cyber security oriented components and the actions done by countries in terms of cyber activities, including defensive and attacking methods. So I will take my the way of my presentation to the focus of the AI and machine learning in especially cybersecurity problems. And of course, I will give some future perspectives and talk about some open problems and give some suggested sources to move forward more after even my lecture, after even my presentation. So you will be all dear valuable participants will be having having more idea about how to apply AI and machine learning in especially cybersecurity and in especially future problems of cybersecurity, because it's a very trendy topic, dear friends, and there's a great open problems variety and scope when we consider the AI-based solutions for especially cybersecurity field. Yes, my expertise is also based on the artificial intelligence, but I'm also focused on the multidisciplinary perspective of artificial intelligence. So you are all welcome to visit my homepage and also academic profiles when you visit the Utku Kose, my name, .com, and if you can visit my website, you will be reach certainly to the sources, including my publications and also my activities, including the multidisciplinary applications of AI. And I'm also interested in cybersecurity, so that brings me to that scope, that presentation today I will providing you. Yes, when we start talking about the cybersecurity, the term of the cybersecurity, we should be consider the term cyber. It's actually coming from the cybernetics, which was coined by Covignal, but you may be majority of dear listeners may be aware of that concept because of the Professor Weiner, because he has a great book in terms of cybernetics. Especially, we see that the cybernetics includes many different the developments, including, for example, mechatronics, electronics, and also AI for talking about today's world, today technological innovative applications. And when we talk about the only term, the cyber, we can be seeing its first usage by Gibson in his the novel called as Neuromancer. When we take a look at the Neuromancer, we can be see that it's used as the cyber. The word of cyber is used as the define the future world with some technological components and which we call as the intense use of technological but the dystopic oriented world for the future. So that cyber term has become some types of and words which is used for defining some words which is included in terms of especially digital world. For example, when we talk about cybersecurity, we just call the security methods and the related knowledge, the related background information about the security which is applied in terms of digital world.